Welcome to how to use and customize the Canvas course template. In this portion, we will discuss the Instructional Content Module. Within the ODU Canvas template on the Modules index page, you will find 3 modules. The third module is a sample module that you can use to build your course. This module is an outline made up of placeholders meant to help you chunk your course material. You may completely customize this module to meet your needs. However, it is important to remember that you need to be consistent with your naming conventions within Canvas and with how you refer to materials with your students. You have many different options when considering the organization of your module's index page. You may organize your modules by weeks, topics, units, or any other way that makes sense for your course. CLT recommends organizing your modules by weeks, as this is considered a best practice in the field of instructional design. You should organize this module as you plan to organize your course. Name the placeholders as you plan to communicate with your students. You may then use this module as a template to duplicate and use throughout the semester. Note that this practice module provides pages, as noted by the plain sheet of paper, assignments, a sheet of paper with a pencil, discussions with chat bubbles. You can also add other items to the module, including quizzes, files, external URLs, external tools. Remember that it's important to use text headers to clearly organize your content and make it available for students in a way that makes sense and that they can follow along easily. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.